If your LCD is not working or simply will not power on, we'll need to replace it. Disconnect the zip ties following the LCD cable, one at the top and one at the bottom. Untangle your wiring loom and set it to the side for later. Next, clip the zip tie that connects the power button and brake line. Make sure you don't snip the cables. Disconnect the green connector. To remove the screws on the back of the LCD, you'll need a 2.5mm Allen key. Turn them counterclockwise and remove the screws. Once the screws are removed, pull down the tabs and remove the LCD. Don't worry, you're not going to break them. Next, loosen the 2mm Allen screw on the bottom of the power switch. Once the screw is loose, you can rotate the power switch and then pull up on the bracket to disconnect and slide it off. Now let's install your new LCD. Place the rubber bushings on the handlebar and then attach the LCD brackets from the bottom. You can push the bushings from the side to make sure it's a snug fit. Now let's re-screw the back with the 2.5mm Allen key. Follow your connection down and line up the arrows to reconnect and ensure you don't damage the connection. Next, loosen the screw on the bottom of the power switch and reconnect it to the handlebar. Tighten it down, and once you get it tight enough, you can rotate it into the correct position and then tighten the rest of the way from the bottom. Use zip ties to tie the cables back to the frame and then snip the excess. Now turn on your LCD and make sure everything is working.